New Year's resolutions, the That Girl era, 75 hard challenges, and now the winter arc. The winter arc, which sounds a little familiar to the infamous villain arc, is a period of intense focus and dedication to your goals, with little to no distractions. This era often occurs within the months of October to December. It basically involves putting your head down for a period of 2 or 3 months to reflect and intensely focus on improving upon yourself and achieving your goals. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to lock in and get shit done. This video is the ultimate guide to entering your winter arc era. Today, we're going to cover everything you need to do to have a successful winter arc era, and to make things easier, I've placed it all into 7 steps. First on our list is setting clear goals and visions. Take a pen and paper and write down all the goals you would like to achieve by the end of winter. Perhaps you want to get fit and healthy, or you want to finally start that business you've been dreaming about, or maybe you have the business but you want to scale it to something more. This is the first step to achieving your goals. Just write that stuff down. Now group those goals into short-term and long-term. You can focus on the short-term goals if you wish to simply dip your toes in the water and stick to the specific 90, or in this case, 60-day period of this challenge. Or go for the long-term goals if you aspire to let this flow into your New Year's resolution era and hopefully become your new lifestyle. Make these long-term goals more achievable by breaking them down into smaller tasks. Whatever it may be, just remember to set realistic goals. This doesn't mean you should make them easier, but don't push yourself too far beyond your limits. You can even take things a little further by creating a vision board. This could be a physical or a digital one, it's up to you. Now that you have everything clearly stated down, it's time to establish systems and routines. You've set up your goals. Now it's time to create daily and weekly routines that help you to achieve those goals. This could be lifestyle routines and systems such as setting up a day and nighttime routine, getting full hours of sleep, waking up earlier, taking cold showers on certain days, cutting down on social media by setting specific times for you to spend on these apps, setting reminders for drinking water, etc. These routines could also be physical. For example, setting up a detailed weekly workout plan comprising of workout days and rest days, and what specific exercises to do on each day. Setting up a daily skincare and body care routine, as well as a weekly hair care routine. You could also cut down on certain junk foods and eat healthier. These systems and routines could also be mental or spiritual. For example, scheduling a specific period of time to journal, pray, or meditate, writing a list of daily affirmations, among others. Always remember to simplify these routines and spread them out throughout your weeks in order to make them much easier to achieve. The goal is to enjoy the process of the winter arc rather than focus too much on the final product. Next up is picking up a hobby. This season is perfect for finding new hobbies to try. Maybe you could pick up an instrument or learn to paint. Knitting has been very popular these days, or perhaps you could become a plant parent. Many people are also getting into pottery as well. The list is endless when it comes to finding a hobby. You don't actually have to be good at it. Like I said earlier, the goal is to enjoy the process and make meaningful use of your time. Our fourth step is ghost mode. This particular winter arc rule is a little controversial in my opinion. Just hear me out. The winter season is a cold and gloomy period. Using such a time to ghost your friends and family doesn't sound like a particularly good idea for your mental health. If you can handle it, then go for it, but I personally suggest doing this challenge with a friend. You'll realize it's actually better having someone you can rely on to keep you up to pace with your goals and bring you back to reality when you're taking things a little too far. The fifth step is cutting down on your social media. If you spend too much time on social media, then this is your time to limit your screen time and cut off these distractions. I believe this step is pretty self-explanatory, so we'll move on to the next one. Expand your knowledge. Read more. There is literally nothing sexier than a man or a woman who is smart, educated, and knows how to carry themselves while holding an intelligent conversation. Read more books, listen to audiobooks and podcasts, watch YouTube videos, and listen to sermons. Use this season to expand your vocabulary and be more intentional about what you feed your mind. Our final step involves getting the bag. This winter arc is the time to focus on expanding your business or start that side hustle you've always wanted to. Now is the time to lock in at your job or start that business you put down on your New Year's resolution but never actually got round to it. This is the time to go in on those side hustles and get the bag. That's it for the video. Let me know what your personal winter arc rules are in the comments. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos and daily motivational shorts.